Okay, a lot of great speakers they lose confidence when they hold. Yes, yes, come in. Great speakers sometimes lose confidence while they hold this type of mics, right? By the way, I'm just joking right now. No, today we have English honors class, okay? And in this class, we just simply explore the English world. Yes, come in. We just simply explore the English world. And here I've got my American student
Not at all.
just having fun because the way she talks in English, it feels like she's not from India, she's from Washington DC. Okay. By the way, so let me know exactly what she says about her own individuality, means self introduction. I'm just checking the confidence level, how they speak English, how they deliver what they have in their minds. Okay. By the way, so Ria, introduce yourself. Who are you? What is your value? Why did God send you to this world?
Okay, then I am myself Ria and I am
Look into the camera, they are the public.
okay. Myself Ria Mandal and I am in now honor student of Shiliguri College and also from West Bengal.
Oh, you're from West Bengal. I thought Western world. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you're from Western world. By the way, so where did you finish your schooling?
Yeah, I finished my school Shiliguri Netaji High School,
Okay.
And I think
Wow,
you also from.
exactly. That's also my school.
Yeah.
So that's also my school. I love my school and all the teachers living there, not living there, teaching there. Okay. By the way, so Ria, what's your ambition in life?
My ambition is like get a job,
Job. Not create a job.
not create.
Get a job.
Get a
See,
job.
there are two types of people in this world. Okay, one type of people they create job opportunities, and the other type of people they just chase for the opportunity. So you are for chasing, right? Not creating.
You can say like that.
Okay, if it was in your position, so definitely you could also create job opportunities.
Yeah.
To create job, you need to go ahead with dreams, with plans, with ideas.
Yeah.
And then you have to take action plan to make your dreams come true. By the way, so you want to get a job or you want to be a teacher?
No, I don't like teaching line.
Okay.
Of
Then why
course.
did you take English honors?
Because of I love this language and I wish I talk fluently in English.
Okay,
That's
great.
why.
Okay.
And I want to mm, um,
Okay. I got to know one thing. Ria loves English.
Yeah.
And that's why she loves to develop her English language from the root level. And for this purpose, she has taken English honors. Okay. Though she can be a very good English professor if she pursues or if she continues her honors with net set and all that, right? But still, that is not her passion. She wants to develop her English communication skill and knowledge.
yeah. I communicate with whole world. That's why I take English honors.
Okay, you just want to make communication with the world. That's
Yeah.
why you need to know the international global language.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. And also, how are you feeling in my class actually? Did you ever experience
It's a
in your
great
life?
feel, it's amazing. I
Okay,
feel.
it's amazing. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. So, what are the things that you find completely unique and new in my class?
Everything and
English is a language or subject?
for me both of them.
Okay.
And when I
But originally, English is a subject to study or it's a language to communicate?
for me language to
Not for
communicate.
me. In original, actually.
Original
It's a language,
right?
Okay, sure. This is for you only. I bought it. Okay, that's fine. So English basically it's a language. Okay, Tisha. What is English? Just open your Huggies from your face. I'm just having fun. Okay. So what do you think about English? Its value and its importance in India. She's attending two classes at the same time. One is online class from college and the other is offline class which is digital media. You too?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something about the importance of English in our life and India.
Well, English is actually an important language. As you can see, it's international language. To communicate with people, we need to learn English and we need to speak in English as fluently as possible.
Okay, that's great, and you are just like an amazing speaker. Okay, I must say, because really, since you are tremendously developing your quality of communication. Needless to say, Patanjali expression. Okay, it's no bhajan. Fine. By the way, so before you say anything, before you deliver any idea, one thing you must remember: you have to say who you are, where are you from. Then only you can exchange your ideas with the person who is just watching or listening to you. So, what is your self-introduction? What are you doing?
Well, I am Trisha Shah. I am from.
Look into them actually. Ashit is watching us actually. He is the interviewer.
Well, I am Trisha Shah. I am from Shiliguri, the Bhakti Nagar, and I am recently studying English honors from Shurjashan Mahavidyalaya.
Yeah. And I'm just telling you one hidden talent in Trisha. Okay, she is not only an amazing speaker, she is also a very good artist, very good painter. Okay, I know her since she was in class 10. 9. Okay, so I know her since she was in class 9, and slowly, eventually, she is boosting her potential in unexpected way. By the way, so Trisha, you have another quality, painting, right? And designing. So what about that dream exactly?
Well, I am really into designings or paintings. I really, build my career in this ground, but it takes a lot of money. My elder brother actually
He's a very
in
good artist.
yeah, he is a good artist and he is actually a professional one, but he sometimes tell us that to be a painter you need to born in a kingly
Rich
family,
family, yes.
kingly family,
Okay.
so that you can draw and art every kind of thing. You can give all the time in art if you are born in such a rich family, because to maintain these expenditures you
You need a lot of financial support.
yes, I really need a lot of money. So that's why first I need to make my career and make money out of it. Then I can grow my
Then you can fulfill your dreams.
yes, I can fulfill
Wow.
my dream. Yeah,
The way you said lot of, it really touched my heart. Really.
A lot of.
Very nice. Okay. You are improving your intonation so easily. Yeah? So you want to earn money, you need to be financially stable first.
Yes.
To fulfill your second plan, means first dream.
Yes, my passion. It's my passion actually. To draw, to create something, it's my passion. I love to draw. Even when I feel frustrated sometimes at the point,
Then you open up your frustration in painting.
yes, through painting all my,
Emotions
sadness,
get exposed.
and depressions just vanished.
Okay, that's great. You are truly a literary person, really. And it's amazing feelings, and you are dealing with this so nicely. Fine. And okay, so you are learning the quality to give at this moment. English has become a language for you right now, as I can see. Okay, so get ready to deliver your ideas nowadays. Keep reading, get updated with the new things that the peoples need for their improvement, not what you need. Okay, so we are just learning here language, right? Side by side. So this is English honors class, but we are learning the language. Language should be given. Oh, wow, she's very understandable. By the way, language should be given the more priorities, right? And what is literature? What is the meaning of literature actually? Why should we learn literature? Literature helps us to expand our thought process. Now, can you show the connections with the literature and the real life problems? How do we get benefits from the literature? Though we do not use practically the literature, right, in our practical life. So what is the connection? I already explained in the class. Do you remember why we read literature?
Actually, we read literature that in how the language come to existence first, to know that the history of that language, and the another thing we should learn from literature. Why should we learn literature? At the ancient time, if anybody makes a mistake, we should learn from that mistake.
Yes.
That we shouldn't repeat that mistake in today's life.
Yes,
Today's life.
That means if we just read the past facts or the
Yeah.
literature, we get to know exactly what the great people made mistakes and
Yes.
how they fell down, right?
Yes.
For example, like great Oedipus.
Yes, how Oedipus did the wrong choice
Yes.
and took the wrong choice, and
Yes.
his life came to an downfall.
Downfall of the hero.
And exactly in the same way, Agamemnon. So,
Yes.
what is the role of Agamemnon that we can add to the human personality? So, Sonali, tell me, what did you learn from Agamemnon?
I did learn from Agamemnon that Agamemnon was a king, and
Yes. And how would you relate it to the real life story? Means with your real life. Agamemnon, yes. What is the message of Agamemnon? And relate it with the real life. Okay, what did you learn from Agamemnon from your point of view? Okay. My question is getting difficult actually. Okay. Because Tisha, the way she answered me, the way she responded, it really, the questions are coming so difficult. By the way, so what did you learn from Agamemnon?
we learned from Agamemnon that Agamemnon is a king, but he is also a human being, and
He is not free from flaws. He is
Yeah.
not free from
Flaws.
making mistakes.
yeah.
Yes. So what was the mistake that he committed?
Firstly, the
What was the serious crime?
He
Done by
sacrificed his
Agamemnon.
daughter,
Yes.
own daughter.
sacrifice.
Yes.
That's why.
Iphigenia.
Actually,
Karma
he
hidden.
didn't
And
make a
karma
choice
hidden.
between his reputation or his
Sacrifice.
his daughter. Actually, he is crushed between his responsibilities and fatherly emotions.
Yes, very good. But which is more prominent in his personality? Fatherly love affection for Iphigenia, or his sense of responsibility as a being king or the general of the army?
Yes,
Greek army.
like-
actually the second option he took much
Seriously.
seriously. Actually, he thought that being a king, if he don't save his
brother's wife.
now
Brother's wife,
project English ki bole.
like you can say, means his countrymen. In
Yes.
short, countrymen.
In-
When nobody is there, countrymen is there. Okay, fine.
His countrymen, like and very importantly, his part of family members. He
Yes.
can't. If he just let them
Stop.
if he just let her
Enemy.
his brother's wife be stuck in their enemy kingdom, that would be very shameful for him.
Yes.
He took his own respect upper than his fatherly emotions.
Okay, that's great. Now, Tisha, tell me exactly how you're feeling attending my class exactly. Is it like traditional way of literature class, or you're finding something different? So, according to you, what are the other things that is missing in somewhere else?
Well, as you can see, now I am giving an interview in front of the camera and saying my thoughts in front of the microphone. So,
Okay.
in other classes, that I don't think the other teachers will do that. So
Yes,
it's
they've never done it before.
yeah,
Yes.
they never do that.
Okay.
And to be honest, that the other teachers had no time for that actually. They just didn't think about
They
it.
go
Flying
through
in the
traditional
sky.
way.
They're making me fly in the sky, up in the blue sky. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's a fact and reality also.
Yeah.
We have never seen any teacher, any professor in Siliguri, in the heart of North Bengal, that they are helping the students to boost their quality and confidence along with the knowledge.
Yeah.
And that is completely in English language, right?
Yes.
And with such a beautiful voice like Trisha and Sonali and my American girl. Okay. Nice girl. Very good. So what is the profit of being practical in literature?
Actually, if we get a chance like that to speak in English like as friendly as I am talking like right now, that would help me to give an interview in
Anywhere.
future.
Yes,
in future, like to give a speech in front of every people, because I don't know in future what will I become. So if I become a
Great
speaker,
speaker.
so
Oh,
it would definitely help me.
Yes, Disha got the main point, Now she's thinking that if she can deliver her ideas and her thoughts and if she can help people by her ideas, so definitely something great she can do in life. And the highest priced business in the world is nothing but the public speaking, right?
Yes.
And that is what she's developing.
If I
Oh
can
my God,
speak-
she's not giving me opportunity. Okay, please say.
If I become a businesswoman, then if I have to make my employee to appreciate
Leadership
me,
quality.
yes, I need to build my leadership quality.
Already she has become a leader in the class, as you can see, okay? She is dominating everyone, even dominating the environment. And sometimes she is not allowing me to speak before the camera. See how tremendously she's just developing like, there's a Katrina storm, right? It's too fast, really. Okay, so Trisha, now English, it's a language or a subject? How would you like to suggest people to read English? As a subject or as a language? Which is more practical?
If a person took English as a subject, then the person would just study it and then forget
Score
about
marks,
it.
yes,
And
yes. They will read to forget.
Yes, they will read to forget. Because if we think English as a subject, then we would learn that subject and score marks in it, and then
And
we
apply it
forget.
in practical life, connect the world.
But we would apply it in practical life. But if we think it is a language in which we should communicate with people, then we can learn freely.
Oh my gosh. Really.
We can learn as freely as we are speaking in our mother tongue.
Okay.
Whatever our mother tongue is, it could be Hindi or Bengali. But if we learn English, learn English to speak like our mother tongue, then that would be very much better. That like in this whole world, wherever I go, I can speak in English, but not in my mother tongue.
Yes, oh my God, really. See, are you listening to what she is saying? This is practical life. Okay, this is practical life. My gosh, really, the way she is delivering the ideas, this is really incomparable. I'm going to give all the responsibilities to my student Trisha, after some days. She's going to do everything that I've done so far, okay? And she will be a great help. And definitely, if she can help me, so definitely financially, I will help her a lot. After all, we learn first and then we earn, right? Yeah. And if we have the power to give something back to the society, we deserve to get something back from the society in return. Wow, that's great. And so one question, Trisha, tell me, what type of teacher should be like? A teacher should be serious or friendly?
See, a teacher should be. If a teacher be serious all the time, then that would be so much like.
Kind of pressure.
We
like you're attending the class of a giant monster. Okay.
Yeah, no. We would call the teacher a grumpy old man.
Oh my God! Thank God I am not in this type of category. Okay. Otherwise, I could be a dumpy. What is the man you consider? Dumpy.
The grumpy old man.
Oh, grumpy old man. Oh my God. She's teaching me exactly. Being a student, she's giving me more ideas to understand. Oh my God. Really, I'm going to lose my mind, By the way, so this is what happens actually. Okay, this is what I love to do with the practical experience of the students. English is not a subject at all. This is a language skill. And if you really want to be a leader in future, you have to build the leadership quality. And the best things of a leader is the audio output and the video, right? Before the camera. Okay, so we should not waste our time anymore in public speaking. So we're gonna switch on to our literature class because we have a lot of things to learn and know. Okay, so bye-bye and thank you Trisha for your beautiful amazing speech, and thank you
Welcome.
Ria, Miss American. Okay, and thank you Sonali, and thanks for your beautiful art of making cakes. Okay, one thing, she is a very good Tanima is a very good cake maker. Okay, একদিন খাবো একদিন তোমার বার্থডে কবে? When is your birthday?
12 July.
12 July বৃষ্টির দিনে ছাতা নিয়ে কেক খেতে চলে এসেছে, ঠিক আছে? She is a great cake maker. আর পেছনে একজন বসে আছে আমাদের, she is feeling shy a little bit maybe, or she is attending online class. Okay, so bye bye. It was a great talk today, except Ashit.